Fast-track your virtual agent development by building a virtual agent with Now Assist and activating Now Assist topics. This allows you to use a large language model or LLM, so you can improve deflection rates and reduce the development time. Let's build a virtual agent with Now Assist. The first step is to turn on the virtual agent skills we need. To enable LLM topic authoring, let's turn on the Now Assist topic skill. The wizard walks us through the steps to configure information sources, branding, and chat experience. For display location, we need to select at least one portal where we want our virtual agent displayed. Let's select all, and then save and continue. At this point, we have the option to test the virtual agent to make sure it's working as expected. For our example, we skip this step and turn it on. We've seen how quickly you can get Now Assist up and running in Virtual Agent. Now you can author LLM-enabled topics in Virtual Agent Designer. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.